Hi everyone. I'm here to talk about React interface for hardware wallets. My name is Anastasia Poupeney and I'm from Ledger. We build hardware wallets just like this for helping you to sign the crypto transactions. And we also create the applications to provide you with the interface to easily do so. So currently our team is working on two applications. One is the Electron desktop app, and one is the proof of concept mobile application. Probably no need to say that all of them are done in React. So I think the blend of the technologies that we use daily, it makes it quite interesting to put the React interface on top of that. On this slide, you can see our tech stack. And in the middle, it's our front-end applications. And from one side, they all have to talk to blockchain because that's where all the crypto transactions are living. And we're doing that by using something that we call a libcore, which is our in-house written library in C++. The cool thing about it that we are able to generate bindings that we can directly consume on our front end. For example, we can generate a binding in Node.js to be able to consume it in our web application, and we can generate a binding in Java to be able to consume it with our Android mobile application, or Objective-C to be able to consume it with our iOS. And from the other side, we have our hardware device, and all our front-end applications are required to communicate with the hardware device because this is a centerpiece of our technology. And we're doing this through USB, and we're experimenting with the Bluetooth. So I would like to go a bit deeper into hardware communication. I'm sure all of you know what a secure chip is because that's what you have in your credit card, that's what you have in your SIM card, and that's what we have inside of our Ledger device. And to be able to communicate to the secure chip from our Electron application, we're using a USB connection, and we're using Node-HID U2F, and we are transitioning to the web USB. And for our mobile application, for Android, we use USB connection. Apple makes it quite difficult to use USB connection, so we're also experimenting with the Bluetooth. I would like to show you a little video that illustrates how we actually talk to our hardware device from our mobile application. And you can also see a double input that does the conversion and formatting of cryptocurrency into fiat units like USD or Euro, and it generates the QR code on the fly. And if you scroll down, you can see a verify button that talks directly to your hardware device, and it's passing a Bitcoin address for you to verify, and it's waiting for you to create an action, either to confirm it or not confirm it. And this is a tiny piece of, this is a tiny piece of code that is actually taking the Bitcoin address, and it's sending it to your hardware device, and it's waiting for you to act on it. And once you confirm your Bitcoin address, then you can proceed with your planned flow. And there's just one more little thing I already mentioned in the previous video, that we use we generate dynamically the QR code based on what you put in your form. There is one more cool way that we're using QR code in our application. Imagine that you have a desktop application and you have a mobile application, and you happen to be really into the crypto stuff, so you have a lot of accounts that are inside of your desktop application, and you would like to transfer, to import those accounts into your mobile application. And the way we do it is we just generate QR codes that correspond to all your accounts in your desktop application, and then in our React Native mobile app, you just take your phone and you scan those QR codes generated on the desktop, and you just we provide you with a little interface where you can just pick and choose wherever you want, and wherever you don't care about, you just disregard. And you can just import those accounts from your desktop application into your native mobile application, which is pretty cool, I think. So if you have questions or you want more details, please come talk to our team. Our front-end team is here. You might know Gaetan. He gave a workshop a couple of days ago. And also, please check out our GitHub. It's all pretty much open source.